Less fortunate people them where probably not have the
But
money
me
and
less
thing.
fortunate too, but you
More
not
why you
get
get them. More why you. Yeah, man. So as we know, Christmas is one day away. But Hurricane Mellisa mash up Jamaica. So we are gonna take to the streets and ask the people them how is Christmas after Mellisa. Come make we talk. Christmas tomorrow. How you feel about that?
I'm good. Nah.
So like if say you never have the bag of money or the
Me don't have
food,
no bag of
alright, say you don't
money.
have the money and the food, you think it still can feel like Christmas?
I'm not sure. I couldn't answer to that.
So the hurricane no mash up none of your Christmas plans then.
No. No, let me say no because of family. Because my family, like my mom
Yeah.
and my brothers and sisters, they're not here. So they make sure say me good. Understand?
Yeah.
Right. So that's the best way to answer.
So you feel like Jamaica a recover or you feel like people still a struggle?
Really? You know, say people still are struggle.
Okay.
Yeah, poor people still are struggle. You feel? Of course.
So like for the less fortunate people them where probably not have the
But me
money and
less
thing,
fortunate too, but you
more
not
why you
get.
give them more why you
You know why you make it sound
more
like me rich, you
what the
know?
message where you have for them
Me
people
know
though?
why you make it sound like me rich. Me not rich, come out of there. So I juggle. That's
Alright.
not what I'm saying. Me
Yeah.
just make a little go far away for me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if me can wake up tomorrow and me can feed my daughter,
Yeah.
me good.
Why you give them some advice though.
Give who?
Less fortunate people. You know people broke and sad and down right now who can't enjoy the holiday. What kind of advice should I give them?
Ah, I am not sure though. Because I don't think they want advice, me think they want money.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, so Christmas tomorrow, my boss. How you feel about that?
Well, Christmas to me tomorrow it's not like in general because you know so the hurricane had passed and shake up not the entire Manchester, but the entire Jamaica in terms of Westmoreland. We don't get that great hit, but we still feel if you look around, it's scanty because a lot of persons will have foul, jerk, and business people. They don't even get it back yet. You understand? So it's scanty. Me don't know about it tonight. Me come from morning, and me chop 1 quarter. I'm there from 6 o'clock. So it's rough. Normally we used to carry 6 or 7 kegs of chicken. Say 3 kegs me carry.
Yeah, yeah,
And go down nowhere yet. And it's almost 3 o'clock right now. So it's not like last year. And it can be. We don't know when Jamaica gonna come back. You understand? We don't know when. Me used to come out and them time I eat 2 times night food.
yeah.
I can me fit as some yard and eat it. Cannot now go on. You understand? But we still have to give thanks because we have life. You understand? Mhm.
So you would have said the hurricane mash up none of your Christmas plans them.
Yes, man. I would have said 85%. Yeah, because as I said, I normally raise fowl to come out here. And when you see me have to sell the fowl instead of killing the fowl, carry coming from me, that profit, it's gone. So that they gone. When I carry 6 kg of chicken, we can't carry, me have to carry 30 fowl and sell the rest. We kind of maintain that when we lose. Because there's nobody, there's no vendor out here, not vendor, no what a people, customer out here for buy the jerky and it makes sense to carry and jerky and it not say it don't spell on you know. So Christmas to me it's not like first time, I tell you. It's devastating, but I said, I still have to give thanks for life. You know, that's life is the greatest. You understand?
So what kind of message you would have for the less fortunate people them?
The less fortunate people remember say, don't give up. You'll rise again, and don't make this downfall be a downfall for you to sit down. Make be a downfall for rise and rise bigger. You understand? 'Cause a Jah is in control of everything. All right.
Much respect. You have no plans for the Christmas where the hurricane mash up.
Not really. Not really.
So how you feel about Christmas tomorrow after the hurricane?
Well, we are like one well. Mm-hmm.
So the people them where them not really have it and no one thing. So what kind of advice would I give to them people?
The people that want to have it, them get some help. Some you have to get some help. Have to get some help. And the hurricane pass through, so somebody's supposed to come and give it a helping hand. Uh-huh.
Do you feel like Jamaica are a recover or the people them still a struggle?
That's about it now. In a farm away a little bit of one and a little bit. You know, you have to cut it into you understand?
Based by your experience over the previous Christmases, how the town look to you today?
Well, so thick today. No, so thick today.
You feel like a hurricane cause that?
Yes, that can go on. All right.
Alright, so Christmas after Hurricane Mellisa. How you feel about that?
Feel okay because me never get no great damage. But no, but me did in hospital to say. Was in the hospital.
So you feel like you still are gonna get to enjoy Christmas?
Yeah, man, I enjoy Christmas, because right now me out here today is Grand Market and me feel okay. Me still have the strength, so me give God thanks and praise.
So what kind of message now you would have give the people them where for them things shaky and they might not have the money and the one bag of food and thing?
Just believe God and trust God. Have hopes. Because if we believe God and trust God, then better will come for us all.
Why you give me one word to describe Christmas this year?
Interesting.
Why?
I see more people out than I thought. You know what I mean? I thought it would have been a little bit more low key, but not so much. People seem to be coming out and doing them thing.
So the hurricane no mash up none of your Christmas plans.
Nah, not really.
So were you affected or any of your family?
No, no one was severely affected. No.
Alright. So like for the people them when say them not have the money and the food and everything, what kind of advice you would have give them?
If you don't have any money and food, well, there's not much you can do if you have no money and food. But I guess you just have to just look out for your family, I guess, and friends, and probably come together and make whatever you have work.
You look forward to Christmas tomorrow.
Yeah, man, every year, always, always. You're welcome.
What do you think more important this year? Celebrating Christmas or just getting through the year?
Well, it combine, for Christmas is a tradition thing, where people look forward to them Christmas, them work hard right through the year and thing. So them want to enjoy them Christmas, so but we still have to go through it same way, you know.
So the hurricane, it not really mash up none of your Christmas plans.
No, not really mash up our Christmas plan, All our plan what we have, go through. We could have better slow it up, yes, but not really mash it up, slow it up and slow down certain things,
So like for the people them know where say you not gonna boast it for everybody, you see me? So like them people who ain't not boast it for. What kind of advice you would give them?
Why I want to tell you, so be strong enough for we are strong people. And by the help of God and the help of other people, we are going to fight back and build back stronger. Just have we faith and we know we may slow about help I go reach them. I go reach them little by little.
So if you could have used one word now to describe the Christmas, based on the assessment over the years, what you would have said?
The Christmas. Why we know say you now go 100 like how it used to be, but we are people of spirit still.
Yeah.
We are going to make the spirit work, the Christmas spirit work, Yeah.
You feel like you're going to enjoy Christmas this year?
I mean, Christmas have a nice this year, bro. Although the money thing low, but we have a one do it Christmas. So I'm going to enjoy. Just hope that everybody enjoy Christmas. Really, yeah.
So you would have said the hurricane thing make the money thing about it that year Christmas, yeah?
I mean, most likely, yeah, the storm can give you back a whole back feedback. Hold it. A whole lot of people want to do what they do. Because of the storm, because storm can mess up everything. So, everything thanks.
So you would have said the hurricane mash up your plans for your Christmas?
Most likely.
If you could have used one word to describe this year Christmas, what you would have said?
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas.
I live your life in all England, Mandeville. And my neighbor Common Garden is a Manchester.
Alright, so the hurricane, you know, mash up your Christmas plans though.
Yeah?
The hurricane, you mash up your Christmas plans.
Okay, mash up on the window. I'm going to have a window, look out the window. I'm going to have money to buy number.
So you look forward to Christmas tomorrow.
Eh?
Looking forward to Christmas tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright, Merry Christmas. Christmas after hurricane, Mellisa, how you feel?
Tough, man. It's tough. It's tough. Nobody now have no money. Hustle and it just, make.
So you would have said the hurricane mash up your plans for your Christmas?
Yes, man. It mash up. They selling and they, the vending for, help you out to continue over in the new year.
So if you could have used one word to describe your Christmas, what you would have said?
It's tough.
So like the people them was sad and them not no money and now feel like them can enjoy the festivity. What kind of advice you have for them?
Just go and live, man. Go and live. Hold the faith. Ever.